friends, this is Ioana of Ioana Todorova Designs. I'm talking to you from my apartment in Sofia, Bulgaria. Our family is using it to overnight before and after flights to America and to spend a few days here and there to catch up with local friends and city life. Check out a few images and visit my website for more inspiration and to book your complimentary first consultation. Talk to you later. Goodbye.